Okay, Bean Beauties, welcome back. I wanted to share with you some mail I got here. I'm gonna take a picture so that I can block off the necessary stuff. But I want y'all to see how cute it is. This is some friend mail from Jackie from JaksBagAttack's. She sent me some mail, and she's not too far from me, but I think it's at least an hour and a lot of traffic. The way the traffic is now, it probably pushes it to a good couple of hours. And it's like she works during the week, of course, and on the weekends I'm tied up with the grandkids stuff, so it is really hard to get together. She always has something to do with her family and her husband, and they're always doing stuff, so it's really hard to get a time together to see. So we haven't seen each other in a long time. I did post a short. The last time I saw her, it was really like less than 5 minutes, so I was real excited about that. I had forgotten about it. We didn't get to spend but maybe 5 minutes, and she was so sweet to deliver the package for me. And so I did a short with it. I found it in my stuff, and I was like, oh, I didn't get to do a video because there wasn't enough footage, but I did a short, and it came out really nice. So here is what it looks like inside. Jackie, this is more than what you said. So let me see. It's like a little care package. This is a Sephora quenching and plumping effect, watermelon extract. Oh, so it must be a face mask. It's a face mask. I love watermelon. Here is some Pop Mart stuff. It's a cutie. There is a little girl, and it looks like, oh yeah, it's like a paper clip. Cute. And here is some Ducky. Are these paper clips? What are these? Oh my goodness, Jackie. These are adorable. Oh, they're clips. I can use these to clip bag charms, things like that. That is so cute. Let me see. I had this kind of close to me. Look at that. Cute. And then I don't know if I can hang that, but I can hang this on here. Oh, adorable. And then I can hang another charm from that. Oh, it is so cute. Thanks, Jackie. Where did you find these? These are cute. Love them, love them, love them. Hand lotion. I always need hand lotion. Restorative hand cream. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I try to keep them everywhere. Here's a little bear. Who is he? He's a Boyd's The Head Bean Collection. The Head Bean. Is that why you said it? Because he's the head bean. I get it. Oh, she's cute. She's got a little dress on. Let me read more about this. Boyd's The Head Bean Collection. She says, hi, I'm Bailey, and I was named after the head bean's very own daughter, Bailey Ann. Wow. Bailey and Friends series. I'm one of 4 close friends, Bailey, Edmund, Emily, and Matthew, in the Bailey and Friends series. We appear in fun new outfits once or twice a year and hang out with the other best dressed bears and hares in the Head Bean Collection. Of course, I'm hand-stitched and fully joined at the old world tradition of over 100 years ago. The folks at Boyd's might not say so, but they love me best. So cute. So cute. Thank you so much, Jackie. Let's put her over here for now. She can be part of the video. Cute. The best part. I missed the best part. And she's carrying a little ducky. Oh my God. Yeah, I see the theme that you're going for, Jackie. I see the theme you're going for. Definitely seeing. She said she was sending me these. Not all the other goodies. Ducky stickers. She goes to the outlet mall, which is slightly closer to her than it is to me. But she gets to it's kind of on the way between her work and home, and kind of on her way from her home and to see her sisters. So it's kind of that on that way for her. So very cute. There was 7 of them all together that she gave me, and I just adore them. So she gets to run by, and I don't know if I said, she runs by there, and there is the Dooney Outlet store, and they have the stickers. And so over her trips, she has gotten me these. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I like to have two of them, because I want to keep one in my collection, and then the other one gives me the opportunity to use it on something. Have I used them? No, because I hoard them. Okay. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.